So it's already the next day. We walked so much yesterday. We waited for the bus that didn't come. Then we waited for the tram that didn't come. And we just decided to walk to the beach. And then when we got there, we went into the water. And then it got cold. And then it started raining. And we decided to have like another chill day. Because yesterday we couldn't really relax at the beach. And maybe go to the beach again. Maybe try another beach. I don't know. So now we're going quad driving. That happened somehow. We have to leave in like 30 minutes maybe.
I love every minute I'm around you, but don't always wanna be around you. Cause my life is over there, I'm increasingly aware. I love who I can be with you, but if I was only with you, would I stay the same? The island has my heart, and that's why I can't leave. And it's coming for you. The island has my heart, and that's why I can't leave. And it's coming for you. Island has my heart, and that's why I can't leave.
Back at the hotel again. We literally had the best drum today. The whole thing was for €1. It was the best thing ever. Like literally, I would buy this every day. It was one of those places that don't look good but have the best food in some random street. And the guy was so nice. He did not know any English, but we understood each other, so it was fine. My best tip is just go to the places that look the most sus, I guess, because this was so worth it.
The island has my heart, and that's why I can't leave. And it's coming for you.
We're on our way to the beach once again, hoping to get more than 10 minutes of sunlight.
I'm sitting pretty in my sundress. Me veo bonita, I could care less. No pienses que me impresionaste. I've been on go. Started over differently, moviendo con intención de whatever me. I don't got a second to waste.
We had exactly like 5 minutes of sunshine today before it started raining again. But since we already changed, we're not going back to swim again. We're just going to walk through this part of the city since we're here. Amazing.
Starting over differently, moviendo con intención, doing it for me. I don't got a second to wait.